Guys, wanted to bring you a video on ENPH stock. Although right now, I'm gonna be honest with you, I have something sitting waiting for a test of the $16.90 here. This longer time frame. This is a 15-minute time frame, but this is I am using the daily here. As you can see, this is the daily. I got the 15-minute window here, looking for that test of that area on the 1690 here, and I am looking for a bear flag formation on the 15 follow through to come down to the 1690. On ENPH, we got a couple of different opportunities in the morning. There were a few other stocks that were moving right out of the gates today that were really interesting, but the problem is that there was no follow-through. For example, XNet, also I was watching CHFS, and the other one CEI, I apologize, yeah. So but there was nothing, not really a lot to see there today. Although ENPH, I rely a lot on the scanners. You see them right here, this fast droppers or fast drops that you see here. I rely a lot on them to find the stocks that I really want to trade and want to see what it's moving over the 50 simple, above the 50 average. Fast movers here, high price movers 2 to 20, and fast drops. Out of the gates today, you got started to have a rejection. When I hit it, it was the only stock that was there was the gold, GOLD. I popped it on the secondary window, and also this one, ENPH. I started looking at this thing fast, dropping very quickly. Had a support around the low of this candle right here. If you look at 1822, we had another 1823 right here. Came back, first micro bounce, green candle, flush down. I originally was looking for an entry around the view app here, and I was looking for that rejection. If you look at right here, the 5-minute time frame, I was looking for that rejection there and coming right back down. This thing didn't really do it. It started to hover around there, but it didn't come right back down. I let it go because I was looking for the low of this candle right here, 1854 and 1863. You can go back, to be honest with you guys, and see that live stream that it's archived on tradescolony.com. You're not gonna find the live stream on YouTube, but you're gonna find it there archived on the video tab. Again, this is free. You don't have to make any kind of payments for that. But here it just broke the view app right there. So I don't know about that, but then it started to print this pennant, right? Although back then when he tapped this area, I didn't have the trend line for the pennant. He rejected here the 50 and the 100, come down for this first candle, a little bounce on the view app, and then he flushed under it. Okay, now this rejection here was the best entry that we gotten today. Came right back down here. This candle was red, and it flushed very quickly on the 1 minute. And if you look at that candle, is that first 5-minute candle here that had that rejection on this 50 and 100. Then the second time I was looking for these two candles after this one dragonfly doji here close being green. I was looking for this third candle to be red, coming down, flushing for that bear flag formation. It didn't really happen. So the first red candle held a little bit of support around this trend line, so this one I started to look at this formation and put that trend line here. When this thing started to hover around this area, came right back up here, tap very close to the view app, and had that rejection to come down. If you go back and you see the stream, you're gonna see this happen live there when I put this trend line. Second time breaking under the low of this candle here, $18.46, breaking under it, flushing down, getting a little bit of support here, and flushing more even. I told you guys I was looking for a very flat formation around this, a little bit of consolidation. Flush more even when he had that little pennant formation on 1 minute even here. This little bit of consolidation broke down pretty clean and entry, very nice formations on different time frames. Even looking at the 5 here, this little pennant, the rejection was actually the best thing that ever happened on the 50 and the 100, and also the view up here to get this nice flush coming down. I decided that I wanted to take another trade when he started to get down here. As of right now, I'm still holding on to a little bit because I started to look at the formation, and again taking a look at the overall trend, using support and resistance based on the daily. I figured that we were gonna have a decent tap of the 1690. I'm looking for a test of the $17 area. I'm holding a little some there. I gotta order out to wait for this thing to come down with a stop loss if in case it hits it, because I really don't want to get in trouble. But I'm gonna let it run, and I decided to make this video now because I really want to go downstairs. I'm getting a little tiny hungry here. But if you look at this consolidation, you can put a trend line here, and I'm looking for the break under this little tiny bit of consolidation here for a candle coming down, and again a possible retest of the $16.90 today. Although I'm not gonna let it run all the way down there, because around 1705, 1706 is when I have everything set up not to let it run all the way down to 17, because that area I expect to be a little bit of support there. But as long as this thing keeps on rejecting that 50 simple moving average, I think we're gonna be okay. And this is again, this trade is based on the daily support on ENPH and the rejection of this moving averages here. So for now, I'm gonna let you guys go back to the channel and watch the rest of the videos that I have out here on this channel, with a lot of different information that can really help you out, especially if you're new. Also, to let you know that if you go to traderscolony.com, you're gonna find that I have a few nice articles there written to help you, give you information to use candlestick patterns and different type of chart formations and different time frames, so you can actually try to use the best tools or the best information to help out your trading career. I hope for now that you enjoy the rest of your day. Okay, you can go back and watch the rest of the videos that I have on the channel, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and a thumbs up. Thank you.